So part of the T-level is an extended industry placement of 315 hours. We have 2 students here and they've been working alongside some teams within the NHS, and it's so beneficial what the students have learnt while they've been here on placement, and we really would like to collaborate a bit more with the NHS to create opportunities for these students.
I think it's an opportunity to share what the NHS do. I think from a frontline perspective, people often think it's hospitals, doctors, nurses, beds, district nurses, that sort of thing. And I think actually the workings of the back office that make this possible is actually quite intense at times. So to have the students in is a great opportunity for them to actually see the full breadth and length of the NHS.
Within my team, in the quality team, I reached out to my colleagues and asked them what sort of tasks that they had that they could pass on to the students to be able to work with. And one of the tasks was an Excel spreadsheet. That's building it from the basics up and inputting data, and then using that data to be able to look at the themes and trends within that particular task.
Izzy and I got to create some leaflets and posters for the NHS, which was really fun, and we got to expand on our Excel skills and just Microsoft skills in general. And we've also got to experience listening into meetings and take minutes from them.
We've really been able to have the experience to see an actual project come to life, watch it go from start to finish, and we got the chance to be able to help out and really got an understanding of what that was like.
And we've managed to gain so many new skills while being here, including professional standards and just how to behave in a workplace. We've also managed to meet a lot of other people within the NHS, just working in different departments, and just hear what they've had to say.
You have to set aside more time within your working week, but as the students start to develop and you start to be able to give them some tasks that they don't need a lot of help with, it works a lot better to be able to give them a task and they get on and do it without too much guidance.
You do have to set aside time to explain, and gradually as they become more confident, that weans off. But yeah, I think it's a great opportunity, and I think actually we can offer a lot as the NHS.
Lesley and Joe have honestly just been amazing with working with us. They've been so helpful, as well as everyone else in the department, and I'm just so glad that Joe Harris from college has managed to get me this placement. I'm really grateful. We've had so much fun here.